Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We at Health is Priceless go to great lengths to produce all of our videos with sound and relevant information that truly applies to everyone. None of us are exempt from the concerns or conditions that we address. We do not believe in coincidences, and we feel that there is always a timely reason for viewers to connect with our videos. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." We will do our best to reply as soon as possible. Thank you. The pros and cons of intermittent fasting for people of all ages. Intermittent fasting has gained significant popularity over recent years as a lifestyle and dietary approach. Touted for its potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolism, fitness, and longevity, intermittent fasting has been embraced by individuals of all ages. However, while many find it transformative without the need for exercise, others caution against its blanket adoption. This video dives deep into the pros and cons of intermittent fasting, examining how it can affect the nutritional balance and well-being of people of various age groups. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not about what you eat, but when you eat. It involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. Some common methods include 16 to 8. Method: fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. 5 to 2. Diet: eating normally for 5 days and significantly reducing calorie intake on 2 non-consecutive days. Alternate day fasting: alternating between fasting days and normal eating days. Eat Stop Eat, a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. OMAD: 1 meal a day, consuming all daily calories in a single meal. This structured approach to eating aligns with the body's natural circadian rhythms and has shown potential benefits in areas like weight management, blood sugar control, and cellular repair. However, its impact varies across age groups, genders, and individual health conditions. The pros of intermittent fasting: weight management and fat loss. 1 of the primary reasons people try intermittent fasting is for weight loss. By limiting the eating window, intermittent fasting naturally reduces calorie intake, helping to create a calorie deficit. During fasting, the body shifts from burning glucose to burning fat for energy, promoting fat loss. Key benefit: applicable to all ages. Weight management can benefit adults and older individuals struggling with obesity or metabolic disorders. Enhanced metabolic health: intermittent fasting may improve insulin sensitivity, lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. By reducing the frequency of meals, the body gets time to stabilize blood sugar levels and decrease insulin production. Key benefit for middle-aged and older adults. This is especially beneficial for those at risk of metabolic syndrome or insulin resistance. Cellular repair and longevity: fasting triggers autophagy, a process where cells remove damaged components and regenerate. This mechanism can slow aging and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Key benefit for older adults: enhanced cellular repair can contribute to longevity and improved quality of life. Improved brain function: fasting stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports cognitive function and memory. It may also reduce inflammation, which is linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Key benefit for all ages: improved focus, mental clarity, and protection against age-related cognitive decline. Simplified eating habits: intermittent fasting reduces decision fatigue about meals. Many people find the simplicity of skipping breakfast or adhering to specific eating windows liberating. Key benefit for busy individuals: this is particularly helpful for professionals, students, and parents juggling multiple responsibilities. The cons of intermittent fasting: potential nutritional deficiencies. Restricting eating to a specific window can lead to a lack of essential nutrients if meals aren't carefully planned. Those who fast may skip nutrient-dense foods or overconsume processed options during eating periods. Key concern for children and adolescents: growing bodies require consistent nutrient intake for development, making fasting potentially harmful. Risk of overeating: some individuals compensate for fasting periods by overeating during their eating window, leading to digestive discomfort or weight gain. Key concern for emotional eaters: the restriction can trigger binge eating habits, making it counterproductive. Hormonal imbalances: fasting can disrupt hormone levels, particularly in women. Extended fasting periods may affect reproductive hormones, potentially leading to irregular periods or fertility issues. Key concern for women of reproductive age: this demographic should approach fasting cautiously, especially if trying to conceive. Fatigue and mood swings. Fasting can cause fatigue, irritability, and mood swings, especially for beginners or those who don't consume balanced meals during eating periods. Low blood sugar levels may exacerbate these symptoms. Key concern. For teenagers and older adults, adolescents may experience mood disruptions, while older adults may feel more fatigue due to underlying conditions. Social and lifestyle challenges. Intermittent fasting can disrupt social activities and family meals, especially if one's eating window doesn't align with traditional meal times. Key concern for families. Parents of young children or those with demanding social schedules may find it challenging to stick to a fasting routine. Intermittent fasting across age groups, children and adolescents. Pros. Limited to older teenagers, intermittent fasting may help manage weight in cases of obesity under medical supervision. Cons. Children and adolescents need consistent nutrients for growth, brain development, and energy. Fasting can interfere with these needs, leading to deficiencies and developmental delays. Intermittent fasting is generally not recommended for this age group unless prescribed by a healthcare professional. Young adults, 20 to 40 years old. Pros. This group benefits most from intermittent fasting due to its metabolic flexibility and ability to adapt quickly to fasting protocols. Weight management, improved mental clarity, and productivity are common outcomes. Cons. Overzealous fasting can lead to fatigue, irritability, or poor performance in work and physical activities. Young adults are well suited for intermittent fasting, but should listen to their bodies and avoid extreme protocols. Middle-aged adults, 40 to 60 years old. Pros. This group often faces metabolic slowdowns and weight gain. Intermittent fasting can improve metabolism, insulin sensitivity, and overall energy levels. Cellular repair mechanisms may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Cons. Hormonal changes, particularly in women undergoing menopause, may complicate fasting's effects. Middle-aged adults can benefit greatly from intermittent fasting, especially when combined with a nutrient-rich diet. Older adults, 60+ years. Pros. Improved metabolic health and autophagy may enhance longevity and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Shorter fasting windows like 12/12 may be beneficial without being overly restrictive. Cons. Older adults may have underlying health conditions or medications that require regular food intake. Fasting for extended periods may exacerbate frailty or muscle loss. It should be tailored to individual health conditions and done under medical supervision. Tips for safe intermittent fasting. Consult a healthcare provider. Always seek professional advice before starting intermittent fasting, especially for children, older adults, or those with pre-existing conditions. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to prevent dehydration during fasting periods. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods. Focus on whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables during eating windows. Start gradually. Begin with shorter fasting windows, example 12/12, and increase duration as your body adjusts. Listen to your body. Pay attention to signs of fatigue, dizziness, or extreme hunger, and adjust accordingly. Avoid overeating. Plan meals to avoid compensatory overeating during your eating window. Be flexible. Adapt fasting schedules to your lifestyle rather than rigidly adhering to a specific method. Conclusion. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for weight management, metabolic health, and longevity when done thoughtfully. However, it is not a one-size-fits-all solution. The benefits and risks vary widely depending on age, gender, and individual health conditions. While young and middle-aged adults may thrive on intermittent fasting, children, adolescents, and older adults should approach it with caution and professional guidance. Ultimately, the key to successful intermittent fasting lies in balance. Pairing fasting protocols with a nutrient-rich diet, staying hydrated, and listening to your body's needs. Thank you for joining us in this ultimate guide to intermittent fasting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Share your own tips and experiences for fasting in the comments below. With careful planning and a personalized approach, intermittent fasting can be a very sustainable and valuable lifestyle choice for many people. And remember, health is priceless.